What's up? This is PTC channel. So I'm gonna show you my top 5 Hot Wheels, another top 5 Hot Wheels set. Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel. So ngayon ay papata natin sa iyo yung my top 5 Hot Wheels, which is the top 5 to 1. So pata natin sa inyo. So by the way, after 6 days nagkaroon na rin kami na kasi ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload kasi wala kaming internet. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-upload. Yan, so anyway, yan yung mga top 5 kong Hot Wheels. So pata natin pa isa-isa. My top 5 is the freaking Speed Hot Wheels because I like this because it looks like a Lego. Looks like a brick set. It looks like a Lego. And you can natatanggal na rin to at ito rin natatanggal. Ayan. If you see yan, it looks like a Lego. It has some wheels and it looks like a Lego. This is my top 5 breaking speed Hot Wheels. Like I'm finished to build this. It's easy to build because it's just 2 pieces set, and I like the wheels, the sa unang part yun yung wheels is color, hindi ko alam, and the last part of the wheels is white. Yeah, so this is my top 5. Let's move on to top 4. My top 4 is the vintage Hot Wheels, which is what anong pangalan nito? Ayan, it's Thunderbolt set. It's Thunderbolt, no set. It's Thunderbolt Hot Wheels. It's in the top. This one is in Thailand. All right. So I like this Hot Wheels. It's a vintage Hot Wheels. Look, it's many crack on it. The vintage Hot Wheels. So this is one's my favorite. Pero na-save ko pa siya. Angas guys, maganda pa rin itong Hot Wheels na ganito. Ayan, nasa si logo na Hot Wheels. Ayan. Alright guys, this is my top 4 Hot Wheels. The top 3. My top 3 is the 15 Dodge Charger. Because I like this. Because ito yung in-unbox ko dun, bumili ako ng McFarlane. So ngayon binuksan ko na siya. Natapon ko na yung yan yung pa-S. Says in the name, HW Airlines Runaway Marshall is number 2, and others that's same here. I like this. And on the back of the car, and the window, it looks like a dark yellow, and this one is no window. So, this is my top 3 Hot Wheels. My top 2 Hot Wheels is the El Segundo Cup. And this is my top 2 Hot Wheels is because it's number on the sa harap, number 68, on the back. So so blurred. It has no plate, and the other is no plate. Sa harap wala rin siyang plate number, sa likod wala rin siyang plate number. Oh, like this car. Sa nakikita nyo, kitang-kita nyo yung loob. Ayan. This is number 68. Ang ganda nito, grabe guys. Ang ganda ng car. Let's move on to top 1. Top 1 Hot Wheels is the Ford Escort R200 3200. It looks like a Mr. Bean car because the Mr. Bean car is color green. It's parang car ni Mr. Bean to. Grabe guys. Ayan, nakita meron siya. Ay, walang ano lang. Tatakot to. Ay, di ko alam. Blurred guys. Sa likod niya meron siyang plate number. Ayan, RS2. Ito tama ba? Hindi kala ko R2 ba to? 32 ba to? Tawag dito. Mali pala ako. Hindi pala Ford Escort R32. Pangalan is Ford Escort RS2000. Nagkamali tayo. Just speed in Malaysia. Ayan. 2022 Mattel. Like this. Sa likod nakikita nyo. Ayan yung RS2000. guys, 2000X. Or yan, ang ganda nitong car na to. I like this. Okay guys, so that's it, my top 5 Hot Wheels. My another top 5 Hot Wheels. Okay guys, so that is my top 5 Hot Wheels. So leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget the notification. Subscribe guys.